guys doing today? We are back out on the boat. It's been a few weeks since we've been out. My sister in town. We did a couple of videos. We were in the pool doing my Mimosa hour on the boat. We just got back from a week vacation in Turks and Caicos. We were celebrating Jackson's high school graduation, so we were there for a week. Now we're back here on the boat, putting in over by Coquina Key. We're gonna head out to, I don't know, Captain, did you make a decision yet on where we're gonna head out to?
Shell Key.
Shell Key, looks like a Shell Key. Oh yeah, boat out there. So one of the things we're gonna be doing here this morning is we're gonna be making a new type of mimosa. It's my Mimosa, not your Mimosa, right? Dad joke. So we learned this in Turks and Caicos. So pretty much it's the same, but the main difference is the Dune Mimosa at JoJo's Cafe over by the Windsong. They use Grand Marnier. So we're gonna give this a try today. We tested it out yesterday. I gotta get the mix down right. So that's what we're gonna be doing.
Yeah.
Going out. We're looking for driftwood.
Oh yes. That's my new thing. I'm collecting driftwood.
Yeah.
For our property. And we got a nice little breeze today.
Yeah, we do have a nice little breeze. It rained pretty much all day yesterday, so we could not make it out. But I had friends over anyway, just kind of chilled by the pool. But today looks like a nice Sunday fun day. And I'm looking forward to it. Boat's running good. So what's going on with you guys? How's your boating season going so far this year? Everyone should be out on the water now. It's today's June 1st.
Yeah.
June 1st.
It's officially summer, right? Yeah. After Memorial Day.
Yeah, it's officially summer, so it's officially.
Get on out there.
Yeah, get on out there.
Before you know it, football will be starting, and
just quiet now. We're just getting started. So get out there, get on your boat, check out the areas, check out some new areas. That's what we need to do. We need to check out.
Yeah, we gotta venture out.
Yeah, we gotta do that. We're just kind of creatures of habit here, so we need to definitely venture out and try some new spots.
Mountainous house they put up right there.
Oh, that one right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these two houses here, they used to not be there. So that you see that screened-in pool in the middle. That guy, he was there, and then
does that look like water damage up there on the top? Oh,
maybe. I'm not sure.
That's probably not supposed to look like that.
Yeah, maybe they got it painted or something. I don't know. But it used to be that house there in the middle, and then they came and they just made a sandwich, squished them, right?
Oh yeah, that sucks. They can look right down on top of him.
Yeah. So you're out there chilling in the pool, and then everyone's gonna be watching you. So. All right, folks, that's enough yapping. I'm gonna go ahead and get these mimosas going. If you want, leave me a comment. Let me know if you want the recipe or anything like that. But it's pretty much your standard mimosa, but we're just gonna add a little bit of Grand Marnier to give it some flavor, man. Pulling up to Shell Key right now. Bunces be bumping. Over there we got the Friday spot, the cut back in the corner there. I think the captain's gonna go over there. Shell Key. Oh, cool. We got some jet skiers. There we go. We got the whole family out. Got one more behind you there.
I'm gonna go in between these two boats.
Yeah. The captain has spoken. That works. So she's gonna kind of beach it here, and then we'll figure it out here, just because this water is pretty deep. What's your depth right now?
11.
11 feet. Yeah, 11 feet. It gets pretty deep. So
We're neutral, 6 foot.
you can go ahead and cut it. I might go out just a smidge with this guy.
We're still at.
Actually, that might be all right
It
there.
gets super deep, really fast.
Yeah, it gets deep fast.
I still got a little tangled there.
What the
Yeah,
hell?
you can put pretty much here. You can just put it right up on the beach.
This is amateur hour.
All the sea oats are gone. There's the sea oats are coming back, babe. Look,
Oh yeah.
you guys, the sea oats are so pretty, and they
right,
went
so-
away during the storms or after the storms.
That's gonna do. So we are all set up now. We got our 2 anchors. So now we're gonna chill, right? We gotta get things set up, get everything properly set up so we can relax. Kim's gonna start
I'm
working
gonna
on
be looking for shells.
shells. Yeah, shells and driftwood. That's the play for today. But we're not cooking up any beach burgers. I did make some tasty jerk ribs yesterday. If anyone's interested in that recipe or want to see a video on that, let me know. Those came out really good. So we're gonna go ahead and just get things set up here so we can have maximum relaxation. And just don't knock over my drink or because it looks like you're all getting a little wild and stuff over there. Just checking. See. All right, talk to you guys in a bit. Go look for some shells. Oof. We just collected up some of these shells here. We got a nice bucket full of, we got some shells and also some garbage. Pick up a little bit of garbage, kind of do what we can out here. Try to make this place a little bit better than when we left it. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna head on back to the boat. Kim's got a 5-gallon bucket and she's gonna come back over here and scoop up a bunch of these like little broken shells so we can use around the side of the pool there. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're finishing up here at Shell Key today. It's been a wonderful day on the water. Just everyone's having a great time. We got some shells, we got some sand. We're gonna walk around and just kind of socialize with our fellow boaters. Beautiful boat over there.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice boat.
Yeah, they're out of Mira Bay and Apollo Beach.
Nice.
So hope you like this video. Yeah. See you in the next one.
Can I tell you?